In this video, I'll demonstrate how to add links and attachments to your mind map. This will include adding hyperlinks from websites, adding links to your files and folders, different ways to open, edit, and remove links, adding email links, and other linking and attachment tips that you will need to build out your maps. The two most common ways to add hyperlinks into your mind map are dragging and dropping the website URL as a link or topic, or using the link dropdown in the Insert tab on the top ribbon. Open the web page you would like to link to and highlight the URL. To add a URL as a topic link, left-click and drag the URL over to your desired map topic. Hover your mouse over the center of the topic until the right side turns green. Release the mouse. The small icon shows that your topic link has been added. To add a URL as a subtopic and link, repeat the same process as above, but drag the URL to beside the topic until you see a red outline. Release the mouse. A new subtopic will be added containing the URL as text and link. You can also add a URL using the link dropdown in the Insert tab. Select a topic. Click the link dropdown and select URL/file path. In the link target field, type or paste your desired URL. The link title field will be automatically populated with the name of the web page. Change this to your desired link title if required. You can change the title for existing links by right-clicking on the link icon and selecting Edit Link from the context menu. Type your new link title into the link title field. Press OK. MindManager lets you open and browse web links directly within your mind map using the embedded browser. Click on a link icon to open the page within your mind map. You can now browse the website as you would normally. The internal browser lets you add links to website subpages into your map. Navigate to a specific subpage and click the Add to Map button to the right of the URL field. The subpage link will be added as a new subtopic. In this section, I'll show you how to add files and folders via the context menu, browse folders and add specific files using the MindManager browser, add numerous files at once, and various ways to open and work with linked files and folders. To start, we'll add a folder link to a new subtopic. Right-click the topic to open the context menu. Click Add Link to open the dialog menu. You can either copy and paste a file path or click Select Folder and find your folder using the Explorer window. Select your folder, click OK, and then OK again. A link to your folder will now appear on your selected topic. Once you've linked a folder into your map, you can open and browse the files contained within it using the MindManager browser window. Click on the folder link to open the browser. Navigate to subfolders and files as you would with File Explorer. Select one or more of these files and drag them into the map. You can either add them as file links or file attachments. Dropping files into the map will create new subtopics for each link. You can now open and view each of these files within the MindManager browser. Please note that this linking method only works with local folders and not with network drives. To add a file or folder link from a network drive, the easiest way is to copy it into Windows File Explorer and then paste the file or folder into your map. The File Explorer dropdown in the Advanced tab of the top ribbon lets you easily add a large number of links from specific folders and shows detailed metadata for all links. Select a topic and click the File Explorer dropdown. Your link options are File, Folder, or File and Folder. File lets you select and link an individual file and its metadata. Folder does the same but for specific folders and their subfolders. File and Folder links all files and folders saved within the master folder that you select. For this example, we'll be using File and Folder. Open the File Explorer window and select the folder you would like to link to. Click OK. All subfolders and files saved in that master folder will now be added as subtopics in your map. Click the green arrows on each subtopic to see metadata for the files and folders, including name, dates, and file path URL, If you add new files to this linked folder over time, you can keep your map up to date by right-clicking on the linked master folder and clicking Refresh. This will sync your topic with all new and edited files within the linked folder. There are two ways to open links in MindManager. The first way is through the built-in browser as demonstrated earlier in the video. The second way is to open the link outside of MindManager using the link's default application. To open a link outside of MindManager, right-click on a link to open the context menu. Click Open Link outside MindManager. The context menu also gives you options to edit a link title, URL, or file path, or remove the link entirely. To edit the link, right-click and select Edit Link. Click Remove Link to delete it from your topic. Add email links to your map using the same techniques as described earlier, including drag and drop and manually typing the email address. For drag and drop, locate the email address you'd like to link to. Left-click and drag the link into your map. Add the email address link as either a topic link or as a new topic. You can also right-click to open the context menu and select Add Link. Type in the email address. You can edit the link title and default subject line. When clicked, your email application will open with this email address and specific subject line automatically populated. MindManager gives you the option to choose between relative and absolute link types. Relative links use your mind map as a base location and follow a specified link path to the document from there. They are the best choice if you ever need to move your map file. Absolute links use the entire specific link path, which can result in broken links when the map is moved. MindManager's default setting is relative links. To change this setting, right-click on a link to open the context menu. Click Edit Link, then Advanced. Select Absolute in the link path section. You'll see that the link path has changed from starting with 2 dots, which indicate the mind map location, to a file path for a specific drive. The link drop-down menu in the Insert tab gives you 2 options for maintaining links in your map. Check File and Folder Links runs a scan of your map to check for any broken links. You can also select or deselect the Use Built-in Browser for Links option. When you deselect this option, all of your links will open in their default applications. Lastly, you can quickly see all links and attachments in your map using the task pane index. Click Index in the right-hand task pane. Switch the view to the Elements tab, and click the plus icon beside Links. This will list all links present in your map. Click a link to be directed to the corresponding map topic.